I didn't think I would end up back here making a video about fixing my hair again. I had the audacity to trust a hair salon again. Basically, I went to 2 other appointments trying to line my hair in a professional manner because I got tired of ruining my own hair at home. This was the outcome. Does it look any different than what I did last time? I don't think so. This is plus a keratin treatment. My hair is still purple that they couldn't take out with 2 sessions. All they did was bring up some ugly ass orange highlights. So I'm gonna fix it. I spent over $400. First session was around 200 something. No, 186 was the first session. Second session was 290, so almost $300 plus the keratin. This bag of Sally's was $40 in total. It came with a free backpack. Let me show you. $44 for a large shampoo and conditioner, sulfate free, 3 bottles of dye, black, dark gray, lighter gray, 2 lotions, 2 hair masks, and if you spend $40, you got a free backpack. All for $44 and something cents. And this horrible lightened hair was almost $400 with 2 sessions. If you saw my last video, you probably know that most of this lightened hair was done at home by myself. So I don't know what the hell they did. We're gonna make it more beautiful at home. No more hairstylists for me. They all suck. I think I'm gonna start off by maybe covering the roots with black, covering the black down, covering these ugly ass orange highlights that are at the top. Like, who needs that in their life, right? Then the midsection is gonna have this darker color, Storm by Ion. And then the very ends are gonna have this Slate by Ion as well. Ignore my face, I just came back from work. This is a full 9 hours of work after math, I don't know. So obviously, let's start by detangling my hair. Detangled. Look at all the variations of color. Pink, we have blonde, we have ginger. Oh. I'm scared. Coconut. I'll see you guys when I finish applying the black. So the black has been applied on the roots. I have no idea what the back looks like, so let's hope and pray that the back is even. I have a little tiny bit of black left over. And yes, I dyed half my face, but fuck it. I don't know if that's gonna develop or if that's the color, but that looks light. I'm gonna dilute it just a little bit. I'm leaving just the ends for the lighter gray and blending the black and the gray a little bit, just like that. Separating it, making sure all the pieces in between are covered. See you when I'm done. Update. So normally when I dye my hair, I can usually see a color change immediately, like color develops really fast. This is not developing at all. If I come back into the video and my hair is literally still brown, I'm gonna cry. So, let's see. Does it look like it's developing? I don't think so. Now I'm gonna use the lighter gray on the very end. Bright semi slate. This doesn't look like it's gonna work on my hair color. I mean, come on. Oh, I look crazy. Like, look, even my shirt is white and it's just not dyeing it. Normally, it would be completely color changed by now. Like all my other shirts that I ruin when I dye my hair. Look how pretty that is. It's gonna do absolutely nothing to my hair. I know it. You know how much I've done to my hair? You know, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna dye my whole head black. The whole damn thing. I'll see you guys when I'm done. I have finished. Let me show you. This is the mess that I have created. Horrible. So, I'm gonna leave this on for 2 hours. I'll wash it off. We'll see what happens. Cross your fingers. It might just tone my hair better than orange, right? And if not, then I'm gonna have some really bad hair that I'm just gonna have to dye black. Okay, so sorry if I didn't style my hair for the reveal. This is the color it turned out. Basically, I did my roots darker. I still have this brownish band in the middle. My ends are like a dirty blonde slash like grayish color, so it's not quite what I wanted. I wanted more of a deep gray color, almost charcoal, but not too dark and not too light either. So I'm gonna go ahead and redye my hair again. Went back to Sally's. I purchased this Ion permanent charcoal color. If all doesn't go well, this is the color we're gonna just cover everything with. Before we do that, I got this other color that, you know, I like the color in the sample. I know that's not what you end up with, but we're gonna try that as well. It's called Chrome by Argan Oil. That's what it looks like. We're gonna see how this turns out. I also planned on mixing this charcoal color with a little bit of periwinkle from Arctic Box. I'm gonna use this to try to tone out a little bit of the greenish color that it ended up because my hair was yellow prior to this. We're just gonna mix these two together, see what happens. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna start by adding the Chrome Argan, whatever it's called, color. Looks promising already. About that much. Gonna add a little bit of periwinkle. And then a little bit of the black, just in case. This looks like it's gonna be the right color already. I know that probably looks black. It's not. Cross your fingers. I'm gonna finish going through my hair and applying. I'll be back with the results. Okay, so I finished. It's looking like a deep, almost black charcoal color. I'm gonna leave it on for 2 hours like I always do. If you ever want vibrant hair, 2 hours is the way to go. This is the mess.